that this tree is known as the tree of death and can actually kill you within a few seconds just after touching it? In this video, I'm going to show you 10 weird trees you should never touch. Welcome to Science Print. My name is Steve. Here we make videos about amazing science facts that's going to blow your mind. Kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification. Leave us a comment and don't forget to like this video. Let's jump into it. Now coming in at number 10, the Manino Tree. The Manino Tree is found in the coastal areas of the Caribbean and can also be found in Mexico and Central America. This tree bears fruits which look like small apples and can look very edible. But if you eat this particular fruit, you'll be followed with a sweet taste, a very pleasant taste. This taste is then followed by the swelling and closure of the throat and potential death. Not only the fruits, all parts of this tree can actually kill you. The tree produces a fluid which can ooze out from the bark and leaves of the tree. The fluid causes skin burn. If the fluid makes contact with an open wound, it can enter the bloodstream and cause death. Contact with the eye can cause blindness. Yes, instant blindness. Number 9, the suicide tree. The suicide tree, as the name suggests, is one of the most poisonous trees in Asia. It's also present in some shorelines, particularly those near the Pacific Ocean. The suicide tree poisoning occurs due to a toxin called severin, which affects the cardiovascular system. Experts have it that the severin causes a decrease in heart rate due to chemical imbalances after seed consumption. Now, between the span of 1989 to 1999, this tree has killed over 500 people in India. Research shows that death usually occurs between 6 to 3 hours after ingestion. Number 8, the zombie tree, also known as the angel's trumpet. The angel's trumpet is mostly present in South America, but this tree is native to Brazil. Touching, inhaling, or eating almost any part of an angel's trumpet can cause hallucinations and putting you into a zombie-like state, which gives the name the zombie tree. Number 7, the Rosary Pee. The Rosary Pee is an Indonesian plant that is often referred to as the crab's eye due to its black and red coloration. The beauty of this plant hides a dangerous secret. The peas of this plant are extremely toxic. When the skin of this Rosary Pee is broken, it takes less than 0.0015% of the toxin to kill a human. The toxin of the Rosary Pee attacks the cells of the human body, inhibiting protein synthesis, which is vital for human health. Number 6, the sandbox tree. The sandbox tree can be seen in tropical parts of South and North America. This tree is known for its pointed spines all along its trunk. It also produces a poisonous fluid that can cause skin rashes. Number 5, the strychnine tree. The strychnine tree is native to India and to Southeast Asia. It is the major source of the highly poisonous tensely bitter alkaloids, strychnine and brucine, derived from the seeds. However, the tree's bark also contains other poisonous compounds. Strychnine prevents the proper functioning of the chemical that controls nerve signals. This leads to excitable pain and usually causes death. Number 4, the milky mangrove. This tree originated from Asia, but over the years, the ocean currents have dispersed them to India, Africa, and Australia. The milky fluid from this tree can cause intense pain and blistering if it makes contact with the skin. It can also cause temporal blindness if it gets into the eye. Number 3, the Gimpy. The Gimpy, also known as the stinging tree, is recognized as the world's most painful plant. It can also be found in Australia and some Asian countries. The entire plant is covered in small needle-like hairs. These hairs are sharply pointed and hollow. These hairs carry a toxin that can cause you unbearable pain for a couple of weeks. The hairs can break off near the tip so that it can inject venom into the victim's tissues. The hairs are so tiny that they are hard to remove from the skin, and if it's not removed, the needle-like hair continues to release toxins into the body. Number 2, the poison oak. The poison oak contains an oil. If you have an allergic reaction to this oil, you can develop a rash. Because most people are allergic to this oil, just about everyone who comes into contact with it develops rashes. You also find a few people who seem immune and never develop any rash. That doesn't mean that they will never get a rash from this plant. Our bodies change and it's always advisable to stay away from touching these plants. Number 1, the shipworm tree. Now the shipworm tree, as the name suggests, contains shipworms. And these shipworms are not always found in one tree. They are found in a variety of trees. In the sea, yes, mostly trees which fall around the sea contain these particular worms. And these worms can burrow into your body when you get in contact with these trees. These shipworms burrow into the trees and stay there for the rest of their lives. Unless you get in contact with these trees, then the shipworms will stay there for the rest of their life. But when you get in contact with this tree, the shipworms are going to burrow out of the tree and get into your body through your skin and start causing disaster. So just avoid these trees and be safe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications so that anytime we drop a new video just like this one you are watching, you'll be the first to get it. Leave us a comment and don't forget to like this video. Until then, see you another time.